Assalamu alaikum guys, as promised we are visiting La-Udher's new store at Platinum Square in Lenasia. I managed to catch up with Zainab, the owner of La-Udher. It was a while since I'd last seen her, so it was warm embraces all around. For those of you who don't know La-Udher means no excuse. And their slogan, no excuse to don the hijab. La-Udher always manages to beautifully stand out with unique, striking yet understated and elegant designs carried all the way from their abayas, scarves, niqabs, right to their newly launched men's range of thobes. The new store was designed with Middle Eastern accents in teal green, gold and pearl, and it feels so luxurious yet is warm and inviting. One of the many things I love about La-Udher that keeps me coming back is that they are persistent in their mission to make each client feel special. Every abaya, scarf and even thobe comes in its own La-Udher signature laser cut box. They also now offer alterations for abayas and thobes as needed for the convenience of their clients. You can now also indulge in a brand new La-Udher collection, the Harir collection, termed after its silk satin look and feel. Okay, I'm so excited because I get to try on a few pieces to show off to you guys. This is one of their abaya pieces and it has a high-low design. Distinctive feature of La-Udher abayas is that they all have very lightweight fabric which makes you feel absolutely comfortable, so there really is no excuse to don the hijab. Let's quickly have a look at some of their signature and other scarf designs. Let's browse through their unique designer abayas. La-Udher loves to incorporate surprising elements that seamlessly beautify and add interesting details to their designs. Now this can be anything from hand-pleated satin, crocheted and guipure lace, spocking, beadwork, netting and out-of-the-ordinary style lines, which are used on sleeves, necklines and hemlines. This is one of my favorites. It looks like a dress, but it fits and feels like a stunning, beautiful abaya. And another favorite is this beaded abaya. You simply have to wear the beadwork separately onto the abaya, and you could also wear it with any of your other items. You guys, I have to tell you, I'm such a fan of their wide range of scarves and accessories. They seem to continue to expand, and it makes dressing modestly so much more interesting. They allow the same design principles used in their abaya range to follow through with interesting yet surprising elements. Their scarves vary in texture, fabrics, details, and they love unique designs. Now we can have a look at their more classic and casual abayas. I really wish I tried on this casual abaya because this is so urban chic and definitely my style. This is one of their kaftan abayas and it comes in both silver and gold. Right now there's a growing popularity of white abayas and this one is simply stunning. Udher has also introduced their cool non-stretch fabric burqas. They love details like loop and buttons, back waist details as well as shawl collars. I'm going to try on this abaya, but let's go for it in green. These are their more classic abayas, but still with some interesting details. Before I go ahead and try on the very last outfit for this video, which I think is perfect for Eid, let's go ahead and browse through the other product offerings from La-Udher. They currently have two excellent devices on offer, and that is the blackhead remover device as well as the IPL hair removal device. You can see the reviews for these on my previous videos. Now let's try on the final outfit before I bid you guys adieu. I loved the look of this abaya. I felt like a queen. The beauty and versatility of the skirt or cape piece fits in with a busy lifestyle. The fabric is so soft and so comfortable and flowy. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and do look forward to my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't and like this video for more. Jazakallah to Zainab for having me at her La-Udher store and allowing me to play dress up with all her beautiful, stunning abayas. A warm thank you and Jazakallah to my son Muhammad Uzair Abdul Qadir for helping record this video. And let's see what's coming up next.